How can you tell who has secretly viewed your WhatsApp status? First, check your status viewers. Open WhatsApp, log in, go to the Updates tab at the bottom left, and ensure you've already posted a status. Next, tap on My Status at the top left, open a specific status, then press the eye icon at the bottom center. Here, you'll be able to see if anyone has viewed it or not. Another thing you can try is going back, tapping the three dots at the top right, and selecting Settings. From there, go to Privacy. Scroll down until you find Read Receipts, and make sure it is enabled. This allows you to see who has viewed your statuses and messages. So why are some views not visible? People using modified or unofficial versions of WhatsApp can hide their status views. Sadly, there isn't any official method to detect these hidden viewers. Hope this guide helped you. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.